Thank you. My name is John Gachora. I'm the Group Managing Director for NCBA. We're here at the NCBA KMI Motor Show 2023, where we have over 40 exhibitors here to show us the latest innovations in the auto and motor industry. Indeed, what you'll find here, you'll find not just vehicles, you'll find construction equipment, you'll find repairs, you'll find the new technologies that's being showcased. So there's a lot to see. NCBA has been indeed a member of KMI, one of the few banks that has been a member. The reason for that is that NCBA is the biggest asset financier in the country. We finance about 32% of the vehicles and equipment that you see in this country. And for that reason, it's our interest to work closely with the dealers and other practitioners in the industry to continue growing this business. More importantly, transport contributes about 8.5% of our GDP. Therefore, it's indeed a very important part of the country's development, and we are proud to be associated with it.
Is this part of you growing your asset financing business?
Yes, indeed, this is part of us growing our asset finance business. The 40 or so exhibitors you see here, most of them are partners with NCBA in one way or another. We support their customers to be able to buy the vehicles, to buy the equipment, to do the repairs. And the fact that we work on motor vehicles and indeed movable vehicles as an ecosystem, it means we touch not just those dealers for vehicles, but importers, repairers, equipment manufacturers, and equipment sellers. So we work together closely with them. I think the other thing that you'll see showcased here today is the new technology on electric vehicles. One of the things that NCBA has announced is a commitment, one of 2 billion shillings to help customers acquire electric vehicles. And more importantly, as part of our sustainability, we are partnering with others to roll out electric charging stations. And indeed, already we have rolled out 2 electric charging stations in our offices available to customers and the public. So we, as the #1 vehicle financing institution in the country, as I said, we control close to 32 to 35% of the market for vehicle financing. We have many solutions. I think one thing to note is that we're very proud of the fact that within 15 seconds, we can tell a customer whether they're going to be approved to acquire a vehicle. So as long as the customer does their application online, within 15 seconds, we're able to turn around that application and give the customer the comfort to know that indeed they will complete that transaction. We have many options available. We have short-term, we have long-term. We also do leasing. We have a leasing offering. So for those who want to, especially for corporates, who want to lease brand new vehicles and perhaps within 4 or 5 years replace them, we have that option available.
My name is Lennox Mugambi, Group Director, Asset Finance and Business Solutions for NCBA Group. Proud to be associated with KMI and proud to be main sponsors of KMI, NCBA KMI Motor Show. So out of these, looking at the kind of exhibitors we've been able to attract, we are looking at the entire ecosystem within the motor industry. We have trucking companies, we have accessories and parts suppliers, tire suppliers, original equipment manufacturers, dealers, etc., insurance companies as well. So the whole idea behind this was to bring everyone who is affiliated in one way or another to the motor industry and ensure that we showcase the latest technology that is available. And for customers who will be joining us in the next 3 days, it's an opportunity for you to identify and see the vehicle of your dream. And in addition to that, NCBA Bank has what we call Carduka, www.carduka.com, which is an ecosystem for motor vehicles, and we encourage all our partners who are here today to come in and be part of Carduka, because Carduka will help you achieve your business success, because we are bringing all the industry players together to be able to either sell their products, get financing, get insurance, and or upgrade your vehicle if you want in terms of accessories and all that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.